Get ready to ride. It's Snoopy's Soapbox Racers, coming May 24th to the Camp Snoopy expansion of Kings Island's Planet Snoopy. This is a Vekoma Family Boomerang, and if it looks familiar, that's because this is the second Vekoma Family Boomerang to open in the United States this month, following Good Gravy at Holiday World, which is just about 3 hours away in Indiana. This Cincinnati area coaster is about the same size, although it's a much tighter layout than Good Gravy. Still, it's about 37 miles an hour and up over 70 feet in the air on this out and back Vekoma Family Boomerang roller coaster. It's the fourth family roller coaster at Kings Island, which is expanding its Camp Snoopy land this year. For more information on this and other roller coasters opening around the country and the world, please visit us at themeparkinsider.com.